at our weather. Are we in for a cool down?
Yeah, good morning. We are going to see a little bit of a cooler weather day today. Temperatures got pretty warm out there the last couple days. I know yesterday still felt pretty hot out there in some of those valleys and inland areas. It's feeling really nice out today. We are going to cool it off a bit. We're still going to see some 80s though, but Van Nuys feeling pretty nice right now at about 76 degrees. A lot of sunshine out there. We're seeing mostly sunny skies for most areas. This is just really one of the only spots that we're seeing in some of our region here out into Long Beach, where we're still seeing a little bit of that coastal fog. Temperature at about 67 degrees there though, but you can see a lot of that cloud cover is really just off to the coast. A little bit in Oxnard too. Temperature is fairly cool there at about 65 degrees. We'll let you know how much cooler today is going to get and what to expect the rest of the week. That's all coming up in just a little bit. I'll send it back to you guys for now.
Okay, Brianna, thank you. It was a little different than the May gray.
Yeah, good morning. Just some high clouds that were out there, but we can expect a return of the May gray as we head into the weekend. So the holiday weekend, we're going to see a little bit more cloud cover, but we do see a lot of sunshine out there too in a lot of spots. So as we look out into Palmdale, temperatures are cooler today, but we're already pretty warm there for the high desert at about 80 degrees. And near the beaches, we're seeing mostly sunny skies, a little bit hazy out there. And in some beach communities, we're still seeing a few leftover clouds, but otherwise we're seeing some sunny skies there in Santa Monica. Also pretty mild there in the low 70s, 76 out into Los Angeles, at 69 degrees out into Anaheim. But you can see areas of the Inland Empire, Santa Clarita, where we're already starting to see those upper 70s. It is going to be a little bit cooler this afternoon though, but I know the last few days felt very warm or even hot in some of those inland spots. So today will be a bit cooler, but it's still going to be pretty warm out there. So we just have some weak troughing that's moving through California. That's going to help cool us off a little bit today. That onshore flow is increasing just a bit. And so our highs as a result of that are going to cool down, but you can see it's still warm out there, especially for San Bernardino, 87, at 93 out into Barstow. Palm Springs coming in at 100 today, 80 out into Temecula, and some nice mid 70s for Orange County. That goes for Los Angeles as well. Along the foothills, though, still pretty warm. 82 in Pasadena. Should be feeling pretty nice out there. 85 for Ontario, though. And some upper 60s to mid 70s along the beaches. 83 degrees for Santa Clarita. A mild 74 in Thousand Oaks. And a pretty nice day for Ventura, Oxnard in the upper 60s. Los Angeles, Orange County, we don't have a ton of changes the next few days. We're going to cool it off a couple more degrees tomorrow. And then we're going to warm it up a little bit Friday. But through the weekend, we're going to stay through some 70s. So it's going to be a really mild holiday weekend. A very tiny chance that we could see some drizzle on Sunday. That chance is actually weakening as time goes on. So we'll keep our fingers crossed for you if you want the sunshine on the holiday weekend. And then Memorial Day is looking to be really beautiful, 75 degrees. And Tuesday, as of now, is looking to be the warmest day over the next 7. Valley's Inland Empire, another warm one today in the 80s. By tomorrow, we're down to some upper 70s. It's still going to really just be warm over the next week, though. Sunday should be the coolest at 75. And then your Memorial Day is looking to be sunny with 81 degrees. Again, though, that marine layer and that May gray should be moving right on in this weekend. For the beaches, upper 60s today, tomorrow getting up to 70 Friday, and then we stay in the mid to upper 60s through the weekend, with Sunday getting a little bit cooler. For the mountain communities, breezy conditions, mild temperatures though, and a lot of sunshine with a lot of 70s the next few days, cooling it down to 68 Sunday. Your Memorial Day looking beautiful at 74 and sunny. High desert, mid 80s today, gusty conditions up to about 40 miles per hour. We get up to 90 Friday, and a pretty warm Memorial Day too in the low 90s. So it's going to be a pretty warm weekend in most spots. Philip, Giovanna, I'll send it over to you guys.
Okay, warm weekend, time at the beach. Yeah. And maybe folks are...
For the next few days and even into the weekend, but we do have a return of May gray as we head into the holiday weekend too. So it's just going to be getting a little bit cooler over the next couple days, but it's still going to be fairly warm out there. At Riverside, you're looking at a hazy view, but temperatures are warm, 78 degrees. We are starting to cool down a little bit today. I know the past couple days have been a little bit hot out there in some of those inland areas. And now today we are starting to cool down, but it's still going to be warm. It's already starting to feel that way out into Ontario as well, about 78 degrees. High desert, you're already in those low 80s. Nice 76 though for Los Angeles and Woodland Hills. You're warming up pretty quickly at about 80 degrees. So we're cooling off because we have this weak trough that's passing through Southern California. Onshore flow is increasing a little bit. So that's going to help us out over the next couple days and even into the holiday weekend as well. So we will see some coastal clouds and some marine layer clouds as we head into the weekend. Los Angeles, Orange County, we cool off just a couple more degrees tomorrow, and then we warm it up to some mid 70s. That's going to take us through Saturday, and then by Sunday we have just a tiny chance of drizzle, and that actually is weakening as the day goes on. So we'll keep our fingers crossed that you'll have plenty of sunshine there. I know a lot of people like to head to the beaches on the holiday weekends. Monday, 75 degrees, sunny, morning fog though. It's really looking to be a beautiful holiday, and then we just warm up a little bit on Tuesday. So Tuesday, as of now, is looking to be the warmest over the next 7 days. For the valleys, the Inland Empire, we're going to see some more warm conditions today in the low 80s. Tomorrow we cool it off It's really still going to be pretty warm, though, until we reach Sunday. That's going to be mild, 75. And then we're back up to some low 80s by Monday, and then some mid 80s by Tuesday, getting up to 85 degrees. For the beaches, we're looking at some upper 60s, 70 on Friday, and then back to some upper 60s. Might be a little bit cool, and some of the beach communities might struggle to clear a bit, but we should have some afternoon sunshine, at least partly sunny skies as we head into the holiday weekend by the afternoon. For the mountains, 70 degrees, sunny, breezy. It's going to be that way all the way through the weekend, but Memorial Day is going to be beautiful, 74 degrees. Mild temperatures there for the mountains, warm for the high desert, and getting hot by Friday, getting up to 90 degrees with some breezy conditions, and low 90s return again on Memorial Day. Giovanna, I'll send it over to you.
Okay, Brianna, thank you.